This video will cover all the steps required to get QoraLux Low Voltage lighting configured in Creator. For this example, SAVI version 3.5 is shown, which is the recommended version to get the best performance with QoraLux Low Voltage. To configure a SAVI server to control a QoraLux Low Voltage system, we need to add the QoraLux.One Pro to the project, as well as a QoraLux LED Zone for each zone of lights we need control over. I'll first locate the server in the Equipment tab, select it and enter its IP address, and then add it to the project. This assumes you've already assigned a DHCP reservation to the device or set a static IP on it, as well as confirmed that the web server function is enabled on the device itself. Now that the server has been added, I can simply add a QoraLux LED Zone for each lighting zone that I need. First, I'll configure the lobby lights, so I'll edit the name and the location. Then, for every LED zone that I add, I need to select whichever lighting server is controlling it, which for my project will always be the QoraLux.One Pro that I just added. Lastly, I need to enter a fixture ID number so SAVI knows exactly which zone of lights this endpoint should control. I can get this from the UI in the lighting server itself, where I've already patched in all the fixtures, though it's much easier to simply get the patch list, which shows all the fixture IDs for all lights in each DMX universe. Just navigate to the Tools option, then DMX View, and then the patch list. This also contains the starting DMX channels, which will be helpful when configuring the output drivers themselves later. And remember that the term fixture ID here just refers to a specific group of lights, which could actually be 1, 10, or even 50 light fixtures. In this case, all of my lobby ceiling lights will be controlled as one zone, so I'll enter the corresponding fixture ID, and I can now add it to the project. For the next example, I need to add 8 bar pendants, and each one of them needs the ability to be controlled individually, so I'll need to add 8 LED zones, each with a corresponding fixture ID. The lowest fixture ID in this range is number 22, so I'll enter that here. Now I can use the Add Multiple feature and check the Increment Fixture ID option. Now that I've added these, I can go to Facility View and verify that I have 8 individually named and configured bar pendants, and that I can control each of them. As a final note, remember that how we're able to zone these lights depends on how they were physically wired. While several lights, all individually wired, could be controlled either as a whole group or as individual lights, multiple fixtures that have been daisy-chained together must always be zoned with a single fixture ID. This concludes our video on QoraLux Low Voltage Creator configuration. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more SAVI training videos.